I firmly believe that achieving your most attractive self goes beyond just physical looks. It involves becoming truly magnetic. To do this, you must embody the most intense and passionate version of yourself in every way, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Humans are natural magnets. This means you're attractive even if you don't feel it yet. So let's focus on helping you realize this potential. And because you attract, you can also repel. This means you have the power to drive away certain feelings, habits, or even people that you don't want in your life. By concentrating on receiving the right energy, the wrong energy will naturally disappear. Personally, I went through a significant transformation this past year. I revamped my lifestyle, focused on my fitness, and improved my overall health. But beyond the physical changes, the mental transformation was even more impactful. This shift in mindset also helped me to increase my earnings and achieve financial stability. Physical and mental changes go hand in hand. So, if you want to become magnetic and attract not just people, but also wealth and success, let's work on your energy and learn some new habits. Stay tuned because I'm going to share practical tips and habits that can help you become irresistibly magnetic, attracting not only people, but also success, happiness, and everything you desire. But before moving on, I noticed that the vast majority of you who are watching my videos are not subscribed, so please remember to click the subscribe button so you never miss any future video. Let's dive in. First things first, let's delve into what it means to be magnetic. Being attractive isn't solely about physical appearance, it's about becoming intensely passionate and aligned in all aspects of your life, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Humans are natural magnets, and whether you feel it or not, you already possess an inherent attractiveness. Our goal is to help you tap into this potential. Think about it. How often have you met someone who might not be traditionally attractive, but has such an incredible energy that you can't help but be drawn to them? That's the kind of magnetism we're aiming for. It's about exuding a vibe that naturally attracts others. This magnetism is an inner glow that radiates outward, touching everyone you interact with. Personally, I've undergone a significant transformation myself. Over the past year, I focused intensely on my fitness and health, losing 55 pounds, and significantly improving my overall well-being. But beyond these physical changes, I also managed to reach a very good level of financial stability also. The mental transformation was even more profound. Shifting my mindset not only made me feel better, but also helped me increase my earnings and achieve financial stability. Physical and mental changes truly go hand in hand. I found that as I became more aligned with my true self, opportunities started to come my way. I wasn't just attracting people, but also the right circumstances that propelled me forward. It's like once you tune into the right frequency, everything else follows. This journey isn't always easy, but the rewards are immense. You start to notice the little things, more compliments, better interactions, and a sense of peace and fulfillment that wasn't there before. Remember, being magnetic means you attract, but you also repel. This means you have the power to push away negative feelings, habits, or even people you don't want in your life. By focusing on receiving the right energy, the wrong energy will naturally fade away. It's a subtle but powerful shift. You don't have to fight to get rid of negativity. Just focus on cultivating positivity and watch the transformation unfold. So, let's work on aligning your energy to attract what you truly desire. This is about creating a life that not only looks good on the outside, but feels incredible on the inside. By becoming the most magnetic version of yourself, you'll find that life becomes more vibrant and opportunities are plentiful. Now, let's talk about developing a magnetic mindset. This is where it all begins. If you're unknowingly repelling things, even the best tips and tricks won't work. Humans have an electromagnetic field that constantly interacts with the energy around us. By aligning your vibrations, focusing on confidence, happiness, love, and kindness, you'll naturally become more attractive. Think of your mindset as the foundation of a house. Without a solid foundation, even the most beautiful house will eventually crumble. Similarly, without a strong, positive mindset, even the best external efforts won't make you truly magnetic. Your thoughts and emotions emit vibrations that resonate with the world around you. When you focus on positive vibrations like confidence, happiness, love, and kindness, you attract similar energies into your life. It's like tuning into the right radio frequency. Suddenly, everything becomes clearer and more harmonious. One of the first steps towards becoming magnetic is self-acceptance and forgiveness. Embrace the parts of yourself that make you feel insecure, angry, or jealous. These emotions are natural and human, but holding on to them can create negative energy that repels what you want to attract. Work on forgiving yourself for past mistakes and accepting these feelings as part of your journey. This process is incredibly freeing and will lighten you spiritually, making you more magnetic. By improving your quality of life and enhancing your self-acceptance, you become a beacon of positive energy. Self-acceptance isn't about ignoring your flaws or pretending they don't exist. It's about acknowledging them and deciding that they don't define your worth. Everyone has insecurities and moments of self-doubt, but those who can accept and move beyond them are the ones who truly shine. When you stop battling with yourself and start embracing who you are, you create a powerful shift in your energy. This shift makes you more approachable, relatable, and ultimately more magnetic. Forgiveness plays a crucial role here. It's not just about forgiving others who may have wronged you, but also forgiving yourself. Let go of past regrets and the harsh judgments you hold against yourself. Understand that you are constantly growing and evolving. Each mistake is a lesson learned, and each setback is a setup for a comeback. When you forgive, you release the heavyweights that drag your energy down, allowing your true, vibrant self to emerge. Instead of feeling jealous, be grateful. Gratitude can transform your energy. When you see something you want, be thankful that you've discovered a new goal and let it inspire you. This positive shift in mindset will help repel negative feelings and attract love, happiness, and confidence. Jealousy is a natural emotion, but it can be incredibly destructive if left unchecked. It creates a scarcity mindset, making you feel like there's not enough success, love, or happiness to go around. This mindset not only makes you feel inadequate, but also repels positive energy. To counteract jealousy, practice gratitude. Whenever you feel envious of someone else's success or happiness, take a moment to appreciate what you have. This simple act can shift your focus from what you lack to what you possess, creating a sense of abundance. Gratitude is powerful because it changes your perspective. When you start acknowledging the good in your life, no matter how small, you begin to attract more of it. This isn't just about being polite or saying thank you. It's about cultivating a deep sense of appreciation for everything around you. Try keeping a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be grand. Even small joys like a sunny day, a good cup of coffee, or a kind word from a friend count. Over time, this practice can rewire your brain to focus on the positive. Gratitude also helps you celebrate others' successes. Instead of feeling envious, feel inspired. Recognize that someone else's achievement doesn't diminish your potential. Use their success as a motivator to pursue your own goals. This mindset not only attracts more positivity into your life, but also builds stronger, more supportive relationships. When you cheer for others, they are more likely to cheer for you. By replacing jealousy with gratitude, you transform your energy field. You become more open, joyful, and attractive, drawing in the very things you desire. So, let gratitude be your guide, and watch as your world becomes more vibrant and abundant. Another powerful practice is to verbally express your gratitude. Tell the people in your life that you appreciate them. This not only strengthens your relationships, but also reinforces your positive energy. A simple thank you can go a long way. Additionally, consider practicing mindfulness and meditation focused on gratitude. Spend a few minutes each day in quiet reflection, thinking about the things you are grateful for. This can deepen your sense of appreciation and help maintain a positive outlook. Gratitude is not just a passive state of mind, but an active practice. Engage with it daily, and you'll start to notice subtle changes in your life. Opportunities will appear where there seem to be none, and your interactions will become more meaningful. The energy you put out into the world is what you get back. By focusing on gratitude, you ensure that the energy you emit is positive, inviting even more positivity into your life. Embracing gratitude helps you to see life as a series of opportunities rather than obstacles. It empowers you to take charge of your happiness and well-being. Instead of waiting for external circumstances to make you happy, you create happiness from within. This internal shift is what makes you magnetic. People are naturally drawn to those who exude genuine contentment and appreciation. By practicing gratitude, you not only improve your own life, but also inspire others to do the same. Being passionate and intense about your interests is a key trait of magnetic people. Don't be afraid to express yourself or pursue your passions, even if it feels embarrassing at times. This authenticity and intensity will draw people towards you. When you honor your intensity, you ignite a spark within yourself that is hard to ignore. This spark not only fuels your pursuits, but also makes you incredibly attractive to others. People are naturally drawn to those who are deeply passionate and committed to their interests. It's this kind of enthusiasm that creates a magnetic aura around you. Think about the times when you've met someone who speaks with such fervor about their hobbies or goals. You can't help but be captivated by their energy. Being passionate also means being unafraid to put yourself out there. It's about embracing vulnerability and not shying away from what sets your soul on fire. Yes, there might be moments of embarrassment, but these are overshadowed by the fulfillment and joy that comes from doing what you love. This fearless pursuit of your passions is what truly sets magnetic people apart. They are not confined by societal norms or fears of judgment. Instead, they chase their dreams with full force. Moreover, your passions make you interesting. They give you depth and substance, which are essential traits of a magnetic personality. When you talk about something you love, your eyes light up and your enthusiasm becomes infectious. This not only makes conversations more engaging, but also leaves a lasting impression on those you interact with. People remember how you made them feel, and your passionate energy can inspire them to pursue their own interests. It's important to note that honoring your intensity requires dedication and consistency. It's not about dabbling in your interests occasionally, but committing to them wholeheartedly. This might mean setting aside regular time to work on your passions, joining communities of like-minded individuals, or continually seeking new knowledge and skills in your area of interest. The more you invest in your passions, the more your magnetic energy grows. Don't ever feel embarrassed to show your true self and pursue what excites you. In fact, the more you embrace your passions, the more authentic and magnetic you become. Remember, people are attracted to authenticity. When you live passionately and authentically, you give others permission to do the same. Your intensity becomes a beacon, drawing people who resonate with your energy and creating meaningful connections. Another powerful practice is to verbally express your gratitude. Tell the people in your life that you appreciate them. This not only strengthens your relationships, but also reinforces your positive energy. A simple thank you can go a long way. Additionally, consider practicing mindfulness and meditation focused on gratitude. Spend a few minutes each day in quiet reflection, thinking about the things you are grateful for. This can deepen your sense of appreciation and help maintain a positive outlook. Gratitude is not just a passive state of mind, but an active practice. Engage with it daily, and you'll start to notice subtle changes in your life. Opportunities will appear where there seem to be none, and your interactions will become more meaningful. The energy you put out into the world is what you get back. By focusing on gratitude, you ensure that the energy you emit is positive, inviting even more positivity into your life. Embracing gratitude helps you to see life as a series of opportunities rather than obstacles. It empowers you to take charge of your happiness and well-being, instead of waiting for external. In the end, being passionate and intense about your interests transforms you into a person who is not only magnetic, but also deeply fulfilled. Your life becomes a vibrant tapestry of experiences and connections, all stemming from the simple act of honoring what you love. So, let your passions guide you, and watch as your world lights up with endless possibilities. There you have it, guys. By incorporating these habits and mindsets, you can become the most magnetic version of yourself. Remember, it's all about the energy you project and how you make others feel. To quickly recap, focus on developing a positive mindset, embracing self-acceptance and forgiveness, practicing gratitude, honoring your passions, and projecting positive energy. These steps will help you attract the people, opportunities, and success you desire. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on becoming your dream self. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Comment down below and let me know which tip you're most excited to try, or share your own experiences on becoming more magnetic. Your feedback and stories inspire me and this wonderful community we're building together. Lastly, if you're looking for more resources to dive deeper into this topic, check out my previous videos and the links in the description. I've also included a link to How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, a timeless book that's helped countless people enhance their magnetism. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting my channel. Your presence and engagement mean the world to me. Keep shining, stay magnetic, and I'll see you in the next video.